So in the last video, we basically introduced the NAND transformation and NOR transformation, but we only made an example about the NAND transformation. What if we had the exact same circuit with all those things, with both OR and AND gates, and we want to turn this time not in a NAND circuit, but in the NOR circuit. Let's do that. So I'm just gonna rewrite the initial condition, well, the initial expression, which was this one. So f of a, b, c, d, e equal to a naught times b plus c naught plus c times e naught times b plus d naught. So in other terms, it will be a naught times b plus c naught plus c times e naught times b plus d naught. Now, in this case, we don't want to make a NAND transformation. We want to make a NOR transformation. So for the NOR transformation, we have those two properties. So x times y, just going to repeat them. So x times y is equal to x naught, arrow down, y naught. And x plus y is equal to, say, x, arrow down, y, everything with a naught. So let's do the same thing as before, but with using those two properties. So if we do just that, we can say, okay, first thing first, let's get rid of those two guys inside the parentheses. Now, in this case, we have b plus c naught, and when we have a plus, we have to put a big fat naught on top of everything. So this becomes a naught times b, arrow down, c naught, everything with a naught, just like this, plus c times e naught times, and then I want to get rid of this, so b plus d naught is going to be like this, x, arrow down, y, all with a naught. So we would have b, arrow down, d naught, everything with a naught. So what do we do now? Well, we want to get rid of this time here, this multiplication here, and this time here, this multiplication here. So with multiplication is going to be different. We're going to have to put a naught on each individual term. So in this case, it will be a naught times b, arrow down, c naught, all with a naught, and another naught, because we have to say naught, and put a naught on each individual term. So this one and this one. Then we have a plus c, which we're going to leave alone, times e naught. And now we're going to get rid of this. So it's multiplication is e times this one. So we're going to put naught on top of those two. So e naught naught, arrow down, and now we're going to have b, arrow down, d naught, all with a naught, and another naught, because we had to put a naught and we already had a naught. So I'm just going to rewrite this in order to clean things up. So naught a is going to be a, those, which is going to be the initial value, E not not is just going to be E, and these two cancel out as well, for the reason I said before, that if we do not something, then it's going to be just the initial value. So we have A times B arrow down C naught plus C times E arrow down B arrow down D naught. So now what's left is, oops, yeah, this one should really be the arrow because I negated this. Yeah, this one is the arrow. Okay, so now I said it, but I didn't write it. Okay, so now what's left? Well, we just have this multiplication here, this times here, and then this plus here. So we're gonna get rid of this one first, and then of the whole big plus. Now, what do? Well, with this one, since it's times the multiplication, we have to negate and put a not on top of each individual term, which is basically this one and this one. So in this case, what do we have? Well, we're going to have A arrow down, B arrow down, C naught, plus we have C times E. So we're going to put plus C. We're going to put an arrow down and negate both of them individually. So C, which is going to get a naught, and then we have E arrow down, B naught, D naught, B arrow down, not, sorry, B arrow down, D naught. And we said that we were going to put a naught here, so to all this as well. There we go. Then what do we have? We're only left with this plus here. So with the plus, we put a naught on top of everything. So in this case, we will have A arrow down, B arrow down, C naught arrow down. So not on everything, but I'm just gonna wait for this whole thing. So will be C arrow down, E arrow down, B arrow down, D naught arrow down, and all this was already with a naught, and then we have a big fat naught in front at the top of everything here. So this one will be the NOR transformation of the exact same expression, which we can also write as not A, B, not C, and then not C, not E, this one here, and then B, and not D. Just like this. Oops, I should close these other parentheses. Okay, just like this. So this one is the NOR transformation of the exact same expression. And I'm gonna keep doing those examples just to, you know, just so that you can stick with it and get the concept and do, but eventually you're gonna have to do exercises like this yourself. But I'm just gonna make a few more examples.